Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a hot-button topic. ZANU-PF's controversial ties with neighboring revolutionary movements. First off, what's ZANU-PF? It's Zimbabwe's ruling party, rooted in the nationalist and liberation struggles against colonial rule. They proudly support other liberation movements across Africa, seeing it as their duty to lend a hand where needed. But here's the kicker. ZANU-PF has been accused of meddling in other countries' affairs. Former Botswana President Ian Khama claims they've tried to influence elections. ZANU-PF denies this, insisting they're just offering solidarity and support. This controversy taps into a deeper history. Liberation movements across Africa have long been united against colonialism and white minority rule. These shared struggles created strong bonds, which ZANU-PF argues justify their support for similar movements today. However, many revolutionary parties, including ZANU-PF, face modern challenges, internal weaknesses, leaders overstaying their welcome, and failure to adapt to current governance standards are some of the issues. ZANU-PF is focusing on internal reforms, like promoting political education through the KUTI School of Ideology and addressing socio-economic challenges. They're working on energy deficits, rural electrification, and adding value to natural resources. The party believes in Pan-Africanism, unity among African nations to counter neo-colonial influences and achieve collective liberation. But critics argue that ZANU-PF's actions sometimes cross the line from solidarity into interference. So, what do you think? Is ZANU-PF a benevolent supporter or an interfering force? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on political dynamics in Africa.